How to process refunds through TaxDome. Since you cannot delete an invoice that has already been paid, TaxDome allows you to refund payments. You can do that from the Payments page under the Billing section or the Payments sub-tab in the Client's Invoices tab. If you click on the three dots on the far right side and click View, a new menu will slide out, and you will have the option to refund it. Please remember that only the firm owner, admins, and team members with the Manage Payments access right can do this. When you issue a refund, you'll need to decide whether it will be a full or partial refund and what you want to do with the client's credits. For this example, we'll choose a full refund. If the payment was made by the client through Stripe or CPA charge, it will be marked as refunded, and the client will receive the refund via their original payment method. Stripe and CPA charge immediately submit the refund, but depending on the bank, it may take 5 to 10 business days to show up in the client's account. Now let's look at a partial refund, which operates under the same rules as full refunds. On the Refund Payment menu, choose Partial at the top and type the amount we want to reimburse. After writing a reason and pressing the Issue Refund button, we can see the refunded amounts here. Refunds on partially paid invoices work the same way as fully paid invoices. You can refund either part of the paid funds or the partial payment in full. Just follow the same methods discussed in this video.